Well, now I get to say good afternoon. It's 12:15. Okay, so I missed it by 2 minutes. A minute. 12:14. Not really much to see here. They're cleaning up the debris. So I'm gonna head over to where I stopped earlier today, where they brought down the old Swedish club. Swede Club, we called it. And hopefully I can watch a little bit as they're tearing down the building that was McKeesport Appliance Parts. I just know before that, most of that building was a boarding house. Long time ago. Hey, I get a green light. That don't happen too often. Normally I get the red light and then wait for the green. Come on. Come on. Well, I'll have to call it the machine because I didn't see the whole thing. Is not up at the building now doing anything. I think they brought some of the top of it down. So I do. And there's still people up there. Come on, folks. Try to get around where I can. Hopefully closer. I'm not allowed to park up in that lot, am I? Yeah, they're tearing at it. I don't know where I can. I don't want to go up into Midtown Plaza parking garage. No, thank you. Maybe I can park where the big church used to be up here. Next corner. Let's find out. And I'm only going to mention it because I'm driving by it. There was where H&H Fish was. 1972, my dad, who worked on the Union Railroad, and his father, who worked for National Tube and McKeesport Connecting, they both said this place was going to be a ghost town in 20 years. They missed it by a few years, but they were right. I want to come down. Is this a one-way? I don't see any one-way signs. I want to come down the next street, see if I can pull into that parking lot. Which is right there. Alright, how do those cars get in there? Off of Shaw. And Shaw's blocked off right now. Will my car get up over that? I'm gonna try. The cables are down. Maybe I can park here and walk up to it a little bit. Okay, what's the sign say? I don't need another ticket. Church and school parking only. Others will be towed at owner's expense. Alright, I'll stay in my car. There's what you can see of the building that they've started to rip into. And I might be safe parking and walking up that little ways, but I've already been ticketed down here. Don't need another one. I don't know if I can see anything from the back. And I can't even go out to the alley there. These poles have chains on them. Alright. Well, they're not doing anything on it right now. And I got to see some of it. But this used to be a big church right here. See if I can go back out the same way I come in. Yeah, you can see the... Okay, this is cables now. And this one's been taken off. I just don't want to hit bottom or something. The car doesn't sit very high. An old telephone pole over there, just laying on the ground. And I'll ask you all on this. Does anybody remember Edgar Motors? I hope you can read that. Edgar, E-G-E-R, there's no D. Motors. That's another one that was a long, long time ago. And as I said in a few of my videos, this building here, which is Foster and Sons Plumbing Supplies. When I was a real little kid, that was the Greyhound bus station. And Mr. Palm's TV and radio used to be over there, along with the barbershop. I don't remember what was in here. I understand when these buildings were still occupied, I wasn't even 10 years old. But Mr. Palm, he lasted until after I got out of high school, and that was 79. Yeah, a long time ago. Wait for the cars to go because I want to go slow to try to catch the building. Okay. Yeah, I can't see the rest of that machine to know exactly what it is. I assume it's a track hoe. But I know when you assume, what do? But they started tearing into the roof at least. And I'll do some of the questions I've asked before. Do any of you remember when this red building was Johnson the Florist? Before they moved out to Route 48 in White Oak? How about when the top of that building was painted blue? Back when McDonald's was in there. Thought I heard a car coming. And Dollar Bank. Are the doors still open on Midtown Plaza? Yeah, the window's still out. I bet money they're still unlocked. I'm not gonna go in again. But I bet money they're still unlocked. And somebody asked me, was there lights on in there? I hope you can see them. There's lights on all the way back. And they're not permanently mounted. They're like a long extension cord with lights hanging on them. Hope you can see them in my phone. So but maybe catch a little bit more of this before it disappears. Come on. Just what the buildings are looking like. In my younger years, that corner, which was Coney Island later, that was Goodman's Jewelers. The little light color green siding that's there, that was Olson Eye Care. This was the U.S. Army Recruiting Center. Let's see what I got in traffic. That doorway, I don't remember. I honestly don't. That was a store where that metal roll-up door is down. I remember going in there with my parents. Was that Helmstedter's building? I'm not even sure. That might have been Helmstedter's. I would see it from the back because the name's still on it. This one, I do not know what it was. If any of you know, I'll gladly look at your messages. And this was where you bought film and camera stuff. And later on, I think at one time they only had one door. And then later on they expanded into the other side. Because you see it says photographics over there. And here, photographics too. I'm trying to tell you what all I remember. Like this one here. I don't remember going in there at all. And whatever this was, which I think had a very nice front on it, I don't remember ever going in there. Well, not a whole much to see right now. And what this building may have been back in the 60s and 70s, I really don't know. If any of you know, please leave me a message. I'll gladly look at all your messages and try to, next video I do, try to tell people what is of all let me know. And I remember before the beer barrel, wasn't it Uncle Bub's? Yeah. Alright. Not much going on the teardowns right now. I'm going to end this one. Oh, and watch some trains, if any come through. Just what I like to do. Yeah. I'll get another look at the backside of those buildings. La Boulevard side, then kick it off. Hey, look at that. Green light pretty quick. Somebody's on my side today. But it went yellow immediately. Alright, they're cleaning up debris. I'd really like to see the building come down and be able to film it when it's coming down. That may not happen, but I hope it does. But look at that sky. We got some, looks like thunder clouds, storm clouds. But there's not much to see, so I'm gonna cut it off. Y'all take care. We'll see you. I hope you like my videos. But y'all take care. We'll see you.